Hey there, it's Darmish.
This is Karen. We're here in Portimão, Portugal, our new location. We're going to take you along with us today and share our first impressions of the city.
Yeah. And then stick around till the end and we'll give you a tour of our accommodations. See you then. We started the day by going to the beach called Praia do Amado, which is actually translated to Beloved Beach, and trust us, it was definitely worth the trip. Found a nice little trail down by the waterfront. Just go following the coast and the beach. And then we found this cave or grotto. We're not sure exactly what to call it, so if you do, please let us know in the comments. It has an entrance to one side, and as you can see, there's actual sand at the bottom, so please let us know. And it's right on the cliff's edge, so it was quite the amazing view. Then we started making our way to the main beach, just following this nice walking path. We arrived at the popular viewpoint of the Three Castles, a location that a lot of people make their way to when they first arrive as well. And right next to the viewpoint is the main beach, the most popular beach there, which is Praia da Rocha. Then we came across some people playing foot volleyball. Sorry, don't know the name. If you do, please let us know in the comments.
So on the far side, across the water, is the next town beside Portimão called Ferraguda. We'll have to make it out there one of these days as well.
Next, we made our way to the marina and took a nice stroll. And then we came across what looked to be a massive nest on top of this crane here, so had to stop and take a look. And it looks like for those who are interested, they actually have boat rides on this pirate ship. And Aqua Portal is their main shopping mall and was very nice. We thought we'd stop into one of the grocery stores to show you what it looks like, and you can find anything that you're looking for. They've got quite a good selection here, so nothing to worry about there. And this has to be the craziest bread slicer I have ever seen, and they let you use it unsupervised.
So the first room we're going to go into is going to be our bathroom. We're quite lucky that we have a massive bathroom at this condo. It has a huge tub, as you can see. That's great, and it would be great to be used as a sofa tub for bubble bath in the evenings. And we have a good sized sink with a huge countertop, and there's also the toilet and the Portuguese bidet in the background. Okay, moving on, we're going to go into our bedroom. And we love this bedroom because it has a good queen size bed, proper furniture with proper nightstands, because at some of the places we stayed at, the nightstands were terrible. And it also has a huge wardrobe so we can hang our clothes in there. And we're gonna move over here, and we absolutely love this part. So we have a huge balcony that allows us to access it from the bedroom. The other thing we love about this place is the size of the balcony. It's huge. So we're able to sit out and have our coffee, our breakfast, or our meals outside. And it gives us a good view of the neighborhood. And we can even see the grocery store, which is only a 5-minute walk away. And we can access the balcony both from our bedroom as well as the living room. Okay, let's show you our dining room next. So we have a huge dining room table, which is great for eating our meals, and it also doubles up as our office space when we're working on our YouTube videos. And behind us, we have this huge kitchen with an oven, which that was a bonus. We normally don't always, we're not always able to find a place with oven. And this one, believe it or not, also has a dishwasher. How lucky are we, right? John doesn't have to do dishes by hand at this place. And we've got a full-size fridge, which is perfect for the two of us, and a microwave. And it also comes with a washer, but this is not a dryer and a washer, it's just a washer. But as we mentioned, we have a huge balcony, so we're able to hang our clothes out to dry or take it to the local laundromat. And moving on, we're gonna go into our living room next. And this living room is amazing because it has a nice, huge chaise lounge, so good for movie nights. And looking over this way, we've got a big TV. So when we stay in the evenings, we're able to enjoy watching TV, catch up on our shows from back home, or watch any movies. And we've also got access to the balcony from here. And the doors are great because on a beautiful day, we're able to open the doors right up and let lots of air in and enjoy the scenery outside. And that is our place from Portimão, and I think we're going to enjoy this for the next few weeks.
So, we're back from a day of exploring. We just wanted to share our first impressions with you guys.
Well, I guess I'll start. In my regards, I think I enjoyed it. It was definitely a place that we could see ourselves being here for a period of time.
The beach is beautiful. There's a lot of nice walking paths along the beach, like both the promenade and the boardwalk. And it's a good sized beach. Now we are here off season, so it's obviously not as busy as it would be during high season. And the other thing would be, I guess, how easy it is to walk around.
Yeah, the walkability, like I said. I mean, as far as restaurants and other shops, everything was convenient. Language wasn't an issue for us.
Yeah.
Once again, like Karen mentioned, we're off season, so the crowds are not crazy. We can get to places no problem. And overall, I think, yeah, I mean, this could be a place that we come back to several times.
Yeah, and they've also got good transportation. Within the city, there's buses to get you around, and the trains will connect Portimão to all the other cities along the coast quite easily. So I imagine we'll be able to do some day trips out as well. And as far as food's concerned, Dom's mentioned there's plenty of restaurants and cafes, and they also have a good selection of grocery stores, both close to us and also near the beach. So there should be no issues finding groceries at the local grocery store. Yeah. So I think overall, like for me, I would say thumbs up. I would definitely come back. As a matter of fact, I could see myself living here. It was that enjoyable. Right. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And hold on, next week we're going to be putting out a monthly expense video, so please keep an eye out for that. But for now, please click on the link down below and you'll see our video on Porto, and hopefully you enjoy it.